Today we have a box full with sea animals. So let's get started from this guy. This is a seal. He's very cool and great. So let's put the seal right on land right over here. Yeah, on that foam. So let's get back to the sea animals. We have a giant squid. Let's put the camera right here on the squid. Okay, there. Got to concentrate on the squid. A very cool squid with orange colors and springy tentacles. Springy. Let's put the squid down at the water right over here. We have a crab. Now let's put the crab right here so the camera can focus a little. Okay, so it is the crab. The cool little crab is awesome. Let's put the crab right here. Very cool crab. So next, let's move on to this guy, the lobster. He's a very cool red lobster. And this is a green sea turtle with black and green shell. And let's see. Take the camera to focus a little on the sea turtle. There. Let's put the sea turtle right over here. Next to the lobster. Next, we have a stingray. This very autonomous stingray is this stingray is a brand new color because they have a blue spot. So maybe it's not a stingray. So put in the comments. Is this a stingray or is it a other type of rays? I don't know. It looks like a stingray, but it has blue spots. Put this right here. Now let's get. Alright, so we have a green sea planktons. We all know that planktons live in the ocean. So let's put it next to the squid. Now let's get this plankton. This is a bluish plankton with a color. So let's see. There, you can focus on this thing. Let's put it right over here next to the stingray. Next, we have a tiger shark. Let's see if the camera could focus on this guy. There, a tiger shark. Very cool and awesome tiger. This is a very cool tiger shark. So let's put the tiger shark right over here. And finally, we have an octopus. He's pretty cool and pinkish. Awesome. Let's see if the camera could focus on this. There. A skittish octopus. So octopuses could live in the water. And sometimes on land. Mostly in water. Let's see. There. So there it is. Our little sea creature aquarium. So there it is. The sea animal aquarium is done. So subscribe. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.